Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stock My Closet. For today's project, I have taken 2.5 meter printed rayon fabric and 1 meter plain rayon fabric. This is the measurement I am using. You can adjust it according to your requirement. Firstly, I'll cut the back bodies, and for that I have cut out the required length, that is 15.5 inch, including 1 inch of seam allowance from the fabric, and I have folded the fabric by half in width. Now I'll mark the measurements. Body's length is 15.5 inch. For shoulder, take half of shoulder width. In my measurement, shoulder width is 13.5 inch. So half of it is 6.75 inch. Neck width is 3 inch. Mark half inch downwards and join it to the neck width point. From this point, mark half of armhole round, that is 7 inch in my measurement. I'll just extend this point. Mark 1 inch inwards and join it to the shoulder slope as well. From the top, mark a point at 10.5 inch shoulder to burst point and 14.5 inch shoulder to waist and the length of bodies. Extend these points. Now I'll mark the round measurements. For chest, I'm adding 2 inch of ease. In my measurement, chest round is 31 inch. 31 plus 2 is 33, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.25 inch. For burst, I'm adding 3 inch of ease. In my measurement, burst round is 32 inch. 32 plus 3 is 35, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.75 inch. For waist, I'm adding 2 inch of ease. In my measurement, waist round is 28 inch. 28 plus 2 is 30, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 7.5 inch. Now I'll join these points. Give slight curve to this pointed shape. Adding seam allowance. Now I'll draw armhole curve. So marking is complete. Now I'll cut it. Now I'll cut the front bodies. For front, again I have cut out the required length and I folded the fabric by half in width. Now place the back pattern. I'm leaving 0.25 inch of seam allowance on the unfold side. And I'll cut it. And trace the front armhole. Cut the front from the center as well. And when this body's cutting is complete, now I'll cut the bottom. Now for bottom, I'm making a half circle skirt, and for that I folded the fabric by half in length. So I have 2 layers of fabric. Now from the top corner, I'll mark the radius, which will be waist round plus ease divided by 3.14. In my measurement, waist round is 28 inch. I'm adding 2 inch of ease. 28 plus 2 is 30, and dividing it by 3.14, I'll get 9.5 inch. So I'll mark a point at 9.5 inch. Now mark the same point till the other end. Just keep the measuring tape on the top corner and mark the same point all around. I'll add 0.25 inch of seam allowance. Now from this point, I'll mark the length, which will be full length of dress minus body's length. In my measurement, full length of dress is 51 inch and body's length is 14 inch. So 51 minus 14 is 37. So I'll mark a point at 37 inch. Adding 1 inch for seam allowance. Now measure the same from the top corner. This is 47.5 inch. So I'll mark the same point till the other end. Just keep the measuring tape on the top and mark a point at 47.5 inch all around. So marking is complete. Now I'll cut it.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.